When I tell you, I see it, so I know you gotta see it. Hey everybody, so in today's video I'm going to be doing a wig install. I'm super excited for this because this wig is going to be something just real, you know what I'm saying, just real different. I did do a short wig before, like I did a curly short pixie cut wig. I'll like insert some pictures and videos if I can find them. I did that last year on myself and I really loved how it turned out. It was like the first time I did like a short wig. So I'm hoping that this install is going to be the same or even better. This is just going to be something different. It's a short, straight pixie wig. So you feel me? I really hope that I do not come out looking like somebody auntie, but y'all already know that my hands are blessed. Like, we gonna look good either way it goes. This hair is from Wild Angel. I'll be sure to leave the link in the description. This wig is a 13x4 lace frontal wig. The lace looks pretty decent and the hair feels really good. So I'm excited to get into this install. Alright guys, so this is the finished look and I see it, so I know you gotta see it. Y'all, this hairstyle turned out to be so cute. Exceeded my expectations almost. I am so happy with the way it turned out, especially after cutting it, because before, when it was longer, I just wasn't really feeling it. It felt very much like, it was giving me grandma vibes, auntie vibes, and I just wasn't here for it. I feel like it looks so much better now that I cut it. It's giving very much rich auntie, it's giving very much chic. You know, it just looks really, really good. And I'm not gonna lie to y'all, when I was cutting the hair, I was high-key very nervous because I've never cut hair before and I didn't know what I was doing. I was just honestly doing what felt right. But I'm so happy that it turned out the way it did, because when I tell you, so leave a comment down below letting me know whether or not you liked when I had it longer, or if you like how I have it short now. I personally, like I already told you guys, I'm so happy that I ended up cutting it because I think this looks so much better. The hair feels really good, straight and nice, it curled nice, and it's super soft. The lace is decent too. Only thing I will say about the lace, that it has like a gray tint to it, so you just want to be aware of that, like if you are thinking about purchasing this hair. Yeah, you guys, this completes the video. Just make sure you subscribe to this channel, because if y'all think that this is, you know what I'm saying, that this is it, y'all definitely got to subscribe, because when I tell y'all I got more stuff coming for y'all, y'all definitely don't want to miss out on any of that. Other than that, thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one.